In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find timesheets on Connecteam. To get started, open Connecteam and log into your account. Once you're inside the platform, head over to the left-hand navigation sidebar and click on Time Clock. This is the main area where you can access time tracking details, including the timesheets you want to review. If your account is connected to more than one time clock, you may see an access clock option. In that case, click Access Clock and choose the correct time clock from the list. This is important because timesheets are tied to the specific clock you're viewing, so selecting the right one helps make sure you're looking at the correct employee hours and records. After you've opened the right time clock, look to the left side of the page for the pay period section. This is where you can switch between different date ranges to find the timesheets you need. Select the pay period you want to review, and the page will update to show the corresponding timesheet data. This step is especially helpful if you're trying to check hours for a specific week or payroll cycle. If the timesheet you expect to see isn't showing up right away, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct time clock and that the selected pay period matches the dates you want to review. A lot of confusion usually comes from being in the wrong clock or viewing the wrong date range. As you review the page, pay close attention to the information displayed for that selected period. This is where you'll typically verify work hours, track attendance, and make sure everything lines up before moving forward with payroll or internal record keeping. A good tip here is to be consistent about checking the pay period first before reviewing any timesheet details. That can save time and help prevent mistakes, especially if you manage multiple teams, locations, or schedules within Connecteam. So to quickly recap, log into Connecteam, click Time Clock from the left sidebar, use Access Clock if you need to choose between multiple clocks, and then select the pay period on the left side of the page to view the timesheets for that time frame. That's all it takes to find timesheets on Connecteam. Once you know where these options are, it becomes a fast and simple process each time you need to review hours.